sorry, because the recording video on the meeting is no audio, so I record this video after meeting. So for today's content, we are divided into 3 parts. One is what is this HTTP and HTTPS, and the second one is about the basic structure of HTTP message. The third one is about the practice on the Telegram boot API. So the first part it is about what is about the definition. Okay. So HTTP it is a hypertext transfer protocol. It is the foundational protocol for the web. So the only operation we make on the browser, it is all based on this protocol. So it is enabling the communication between the client and the server. This protocol is based on the TCP/IP. Okay. So like this picture, this is our laptop or computer. So for example, here we request the google.com to the server. Then it will return us a Google search page, return to our browser. Okay. So this is the most simple step of the HTTP protocol. So next one is why we need HTTP. So if the customer server required to using this protocol to upload some designed format data in the project, then we can use this kind of protocol, or we can notify the user on a social media app. So first is about the third-party server and the social media like the WhatsApp or Line. Okay. So what is the differences between HTTP and HTTPS? So HTTPS it is a secure protocol. It is established encrypt a connection, while the HTTP only sends the data in plain text. Okay. So it is more security for this S protocol. Okay. But in the meanwhile, the added secure for the HTTPS will come at the cost of slightly slower than compared to the HTTP. Due to the nowadays laptop, so this kind of slower performance is we can ignore it, or we can say that. So on the when we access some website, the browser will display this kind of unlock icon when we access this HTTP server. Okay. But if it is the HTTPS website, you will show this lock icon on the browser. So for example, like this like our support center, it is HTTPS. Okay, so it is display this lock icon. So for the basic structure of the HTTP message, so the first, the most important is about the URL. So here we can see some structure part of it. So first is the SCMI. SCMI it indicates the protocol that the server use. Okay, so here is the HTTP. Then it is the domain name. Domain name is the which server we is being requested. The next one is the port number. So usually it is omitted by the server. So like Google server, it is omit this port number. Okay. So and the next is about the path. Path is to the path to resources of the server, and the parameter is to we server can use such parameter to do the extra stuff between before the returning the resources. So for example, here like if I request to search this HTTP this word, so you can see the after this question mark, it is all about the parameter. Okay, so this queue is what we input or we want to search on this search bar. Okay, and then the last one is about the arc. This arc is we has classic example for this. So like our support center, if I click on the this chapter on the right side, so you can see it is jumped into the corresponding position. Okay, so you can see it is using this arc just exactly same to this one to help us to locate the documentation position. Okay. The next is about the request method. So HTTP defines a set of request method to indicate the purpose of the request. So some most we common used is like the get and the post. Get it is to like we search the something on the internet. It is you get method, and the post is like when we log in our account and password on the VNet. It is using the post method. Okay. It needs the client to send the data. So following is about some HTTP request structure. So first is you can see it's post, it is request method. Okay, post. and also this is the protocol version number. And the next one is about the host. Host name and port number if it is available. And the next one is about the representation header. It indicates the original type before the encoding. Okay. So this is so this is very useful if we want to bring some request body when we want to make the corresponding API. Okay. And the next one is about the body. Here we can see it is the parameter we set. It is three parameter on this picture. One is name, and the next one is last name, and the last one is the email. So for the HTTP response, also we have this this kind of like static code and static text, and also some data type and content type and length. And the next one is about the message of the from return from the server. So if we request wait a moment, I open the HTTP. So right now I opening the developer tool of the browser. So you can see if I click on some request, so we can see a complete the message of this request and the response. Okay, so you can see it's just we mentioned about the method. So this method is using the option, not get. Sorry. So also it is some static code. So 200 means this request is sending to the server successfully. Okay. Also, this is about the header, and this is the request header. So you can see it is scan me and authorizer, and path is this one. This part is for URL. Okay. So another important part, it is for the HTTP response, it is this static code. So it is indicate whether the specific HTTP request is being successfully or not. So this is some example code like 200 is succeed, and 404 it is not found, and like this 400 is like client error, okay, but the 500 is about the server error. So sometimes like if we request a support center, we may see this kind of error code, right? So 504 it is means the gateway timeout cannot respond in time for the server, so it will report this code. So next one is about the practice on the Telegram bot API. So this Telegram it is has the official chat robot. So we can use this bot to help us to notificate when we have the alarm or the message, okay. So if we want to achieve this kind of notification function on our HMI, we need to understand the API menu first. So the first I need to take my token of my bot. So this one is my bot token, and so the here is the fixed form for our request API. So you can see it is HTTPS slash api.telegram.org slash bot, and then following going with the token ID. Okay. So the link will be like this one. The bot then this token ID. So because the final goal it is to send the message on the group, we need to find the method we want to use. So this send message it is what we want to call, okay. And because it is using a parameter to request our API, so it is using this format, okay. And also if we just need to send message only, so we didn't need to we didn't need to send other add some other things. So we just filling this require field on our URL. So the complete URL will be like this one. The API.org, then the token part, and the method name is send message, then question mark chat ID, and the text equal, okay. So the next because Telegram support get and post method, so we can pick one of them when we test it. So here we take the Postman as our third-party test software. Okay. So we use paste this URL hello world to the Postman. So if it is sent successfully, the Postman will return the 200 static code. So it is static code is displayed on here. Then it also we will show it will show on the group hello world. So after we test successfully on the Postman, then we go into the programming our Lua script. So we need to use SAM to use the HTTPS. So we need to call the HTTPS library. And also this same exactly same URL on the script for the project. And also because this kind of message is hello world message is not our final goal. So we need to change it into the dynamic message. So here I using a string format to pass the message as a variable, okay, into my URL. Then I make another function to construct my notification message. So we can here I using my internal address. But if you have some configure some communication protocol, and also we can use the PLC address to construct our notificate message. Okay. So the last it is to combine these two functions because here I pass the message as parameter for this function name. So I can call this function inside this one. Okay. So here I using a pulling script. So once it is running in the project, it will continues to send out the address value. But in the actual application, server is do not allow this kind of single IP to continues to push the message too frequently in a short time. So such because such occasion will be organized as the recognized as the cyber attack. So we need to add some condition to prevent the HMI to blocked by the server. So here we use a condition. If it is temp value means last change. So if it is last change didn't send to the current value, then you will not send out this this message. Okay. So after meeting, I will send list our example project into the group. Okay. This picture is wrong. I will change it before sending this PowerPoint. Okay. So see you next week. Okay. Goodbye.